Good evening, everybody. I hope everybody can hear my voice and see the presentation on the screen. Okay, so I was expecting to be delayed by an appointment, but fortunately it got over well in time. So thankfully we can start the class today on time. It's a very small and very rarely asked topic that we are going to cover today, right? This topic seems to be troublesome for a lot of students, and they seem to have some of them seem to have trouble, especially those who do not have a good sense of visualization. But the good news is this question is very rare. It is hardly ever asked in exams, but it is not that it is never asked. So if at all it makes an appearance, then you should know how to solve these questions, and that is why we'll be devoting just one session on understanding. And so the topic is cubes and cuboids, right? So let us understand exactly what are meant by cubes and cuboids and what are the types of questions that can be asked. It's not a huge chapter, there are very few examples. So we will solve a few examples, and pretty much we should be done with this session early today. So if everybody is ready, shall we start this session of cubes and cuboids? Excellent. So guys, cubes and cuboids. First of all, we'll understand what exactly is meant by a cube, right? We all know that cubes are three-dimensional structures. You understand what is a one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional structure. For example, if I talk about a straight line, so a line only has length, so this is like a one-dimensional structure. If I, let's say, talk about a square or a rectangle, then it is both height and width. So these are all two-dimensional structures. But if you take a look at a cuboid, it is a 3D shape, right? It has length, it has width, and it has depth, right? It is spread across three axes. So a cube is nothing but a three-dimensional structure, and there are certain parts to a cube which we can talk about, right? So in a cube, let's take a cube like this. This main part, this is called the face of a cube, right? So guys, can you tell me how many faces are there in a standard cube? And this is true also for a cuboid. So a standard cube or a cuboid will have a total of how many faces, right? So we have a top, we have a bottom, we have a front, we have a back, and we have one and two sides. So there are total of 6 faces when it comes to a cube, right? Each face in a cube is a square. If it's a cuboid, then the shape of each face is a rectangle. So there are total 6 faces in a cube. Now, this point where you have 3 faces meeting, this particular point, this point is known as a vertex, right? The meeting point of 3 faces, this is known as a vertex. The plural is vertice. So now can you tell me, in a standard cube or a cuboid, how many vertices do we have? That's right. So on the top we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the bottom we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have a total of 8 vertices when it comes to a standard cube or a cuboid. Aditya, are you sure there are 8 edges? First of all, what is an edge? So a straight line, right? The edge of a face, this is known as an edge. So there are total how many edges in my cube or cuboid? No, Aditya, not 8. Count them. See, on the bottom we have this 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the top 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the sides 9, 10, 11, and 12. So in a standard cube or cuboid, there are a total of 12 edges. We have 6 faces, 8 vertices, and a total of 12 edges. Did everybody understand this? Got it? There are a total of 12 edges when it comes to a standard cube or a cuboid, right? So now let us understand. in exam, what exactly will be the type of question asked? What do we do with all this information? So what they will say is that we give you a cube, we will paint them, and then we will cut the cube. So when the cube is originally painted, all the outside faces are painted, right? So we have total 6 painted faces. So remember, we will connect the vertices with the faces. How? Originally, there are 8 vertices. If all the 8 vertices are on the same piece, on the same cube, that means all the 6 original faces are colored. Remember this fact. If the cube is not cut, it is an uncut cube, right? Cube ko kaata nahi hai maine, I have not cut it. So for an uncut cube or cuboid, when all the 8 vertices are together, that means all the 6 faces are painted. Did you get that? एवरी सिंगल पीस बॉट ऐसे जमीन पे रख के अनपेंट नहीं करेंगे, क्यूब को उठा के जितने दिखे सब कुछ पेंट कर डाला, राइट? द एंटायर क्यूब इज पेंटेड, सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लीव एनी सरफेस. हृदय, टोटल देर आर 6 फेसेस टू अ क्यूब. डू यू नो व्हाट इज अ रूबिक्स क्यूब? जिसको ट्विस्ट 6 साइड पेंटेड होते हैं, उसको ट्विस्ट करके सारे कलर्स करते हैं क्यूब. तो जब ओरिजिनल 6 वर्टाइसेस एक टुकड़े पे हैं, दैट मीन्स all the faces are painted. Let me clear this. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. These are the 8 original vertices. They are not separated, they are all on the same piece. So when all vertices are on the same piece, all the 6 faces remain painted. First fact to remember. Did you understand this? Okay. Now one by one, let's start cutting this. So this cube, I put a cut on it. This was the original cube. यहाँ से ऐसे मैं नीचे की तरफ काट देता हूँ. So now I have split the cube into 2 pieces. Right? Did you understand how it was cut? ऊपर की तरफ यहाँ से मैं नीचे, यहां से ऐसे मैं चक्कू नीचे की तरफ घुमा देता हूं, तो इसके 2 टुकड़े हो गए. नाउ ओरिजिनल वर्टाइसेस आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ, राइट? दिस पीस हैज 4 ओरिजिनल वर्टाइसेस एंड द अदर पीस also has 4 of the original vertices. One of them will be hidden, but 4 vertices are there. And take a look at it carefully. ये अंदर की तरफ से जो फेस एक्सपोज होके निकला, this is unpainted, right? बाहर तो painted है, the exposed face is unpainted. So here, when 4 original vertices are there on a piece, it will have 5 painted faces and 1 of them remains unpainted. Did you understand that? It is not possible to split it using straight lines such that 7, 6 or 5 vertices can be together. We are going to cut them horizontal and vertical. So 8 का directly 4 vertices ही split होगा. You cannot cut it straight and have 7, 6 or 5 vertices on the same piece. So 8 vertices simply get split into 4. So whenever you see 4 original vertices, that particular piece will have 5 pieces painted. How? Jay, ये देखो, यहाँ पे ये वाले टुकड़े को देखो, ये एक टुकड़ा, ये जो सफेद दिख रहा है ये अनपेंटेड है, बाकी ऊपर, नीचे, बाजू, बाजू एंड पीछे की तरफ ये तो सारा पेंटेड ही है. तो 5 साइड्स पेंटेड निकला. So both these pieces will have 5 sides painted and 1 side unpainted. Both these pieces will have 5 sides painted and 1 side unpainted because both of them have got 4 of the original vertices. समझ में आया? Now, I'm going to cut it once more. I've already split it once. Now, I'm going to split it one more time from this side. So, अभी 4 pieces हो गए. Amanbir, I just explained it. How 5 pieces बेटा? ये देखो. See, this is the original piece, 6 sides painted. Got that? केक को काटोगे तो सिर्फ अंदर से अनपेंटेड रहेगा ना, बाहर का तो वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा. When you cut an eraser, think of an eraser. An eraser is a cuboid. उसको बाहर से पेंट कर दो, 6 sides painted. बीच में से जब काट के 2 टुकड़े करोगे तो एक खुला हुआ फेस निकलेगा, बाकी के 5 sides तो पेंटेड ही रहेंगे. 5 are painted, not unpainted. 5 sides are painted. Amanbir, 5 sides are painted, 1 side is unpainted. Did you understand? No. See, I've written 4V, 4 vertices, 5 painted. Okay. Now I'm cutting it again. So, up 4 pieces. How many original vertices remain on each piece? Remember, there are always 8 original vertices. वो number change नहीं होगा. So each one has got 2 original vertices, and each piece will have how many unpainted sides? Total 6 faces हैं. उसमें से सारे pieces में ये 2 faces unpainted हैं, बाकी ऊपर नीचे और बाहर. So it will have 4 painted and 2 unpainted. Did you get that, everybody? So when 2 vertices remain on a piece, 4 sides have to be painted. जय, ये वाला समझ में आया? 2 टुकड़े जब किए तो 5 पेंटेड समझ में आया. अब उसको वापस मैं काट रहा हूं, कटे हुए 2 टुकड़ों को वापस मैं काट रहा हूं, तो ये दोनों जो जुड़े हुए थे बीच में से फिर से खोल दिया मैंने. ये जो 2 जुड़े हुए पीसेस थे, दे एक्सपोज वन मोर एंड. सो ऑलरेडी दिस अंदर वाला पीस तो अनपेंटेड था, अब ये वाला भी अनपेंटेड. टोटल 2 अनपेंटेड निकले, एंड बाकी ऊपर नीचे ये वाला बाजू एंड ये वाला बाजू 4 पेंटेड होंगे. हृदय, जय. समझ में आया? सो नाउ रिमेंबर दिस. If 2 vertices, 2 original vertices remain on any piece, then 4 sides will remain painted. Are we together so far? Okay. Ab I'm going to cut it from one more side. Right? Already I have cut it twice. अब इसको मैं बीच से काटूंगा. Right? So it gets split into a total of 8 pieces. बीच में से मैंने काट दिया तो टोटल 4 के 8 टुकड़े हो गए. डायग्राम समझ में आया? टोटल 8 पीसेस समझ में आया? डायग्राम को देख के आर यू एबल टू विजुअलाइज इट? ओके. नाउ टोटल 8 pieces are there. 4 up and 4 down, Hriday. 3 painted. I'll come to it. Yeah, you're correct. Now each piece contains how many of the original vertices? Each piece contains 1 original vertex, right? Each piece के अंदर अगर मैं देखूं तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और एक छुपा हुआ 8. So each one has 1 original vertex and each piece has how many sides? पे हृदय 2 कहां से आया? हर टुकड़े में एक ही ओरिजिनल वर्टाइस है. 8 टुकड़े, सबके अंदर एक एक ओरिजिनल वर्टाइस. Okay, now tell me how many painted for each piece? किसी भी टुकड़े को ले लो, right? लेट्स टेक द बॉटम मोस्ट टुकड़ा. तो इसका ये वाला एक अनपेंटेड है, इस साइड से जो है वो भी अनपेंटेड है, इस साइड से जो भी है वो भी अनपेंटेड है. सो इट विल हैव 3 पेंटेड फेसेस एंड 3 अनपेंटेड फेसेस, राइट? 3 colored and 3 uncolored. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ईच इंडिविजुअल क्यूब. आदित्य, टोटल क्यूब्स, टोटल का नहीं देखेंगे अपने. वी विल लुक एट ईच इंडिविजुअल पीस. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, लुक एट ईच इंडिविजुअल पीस, वो काउंटिंग बाद में करेंगे इफ रिक्वायर्ड। राइट नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ ईच पीस लुक्स, ठीक है। सो गाइस, अभी तक हमने क्या देखा, इफ 8 vertices that means 6 painted, 4 vertices means 5 painted, 2 vertices means 4 painted, and 1 vertex means 3 painted। ये तो वर्टाइस के साथ कनेक्शन हो गया कि ओरिजिनल वर्टाइस वाले टुकड़ों में तो ये काउंटिंग होगा। आर वी टुगेदर सो फार? Now if I start cutting them anymore, I will have pieces which do not contain the original vertex, right? एक की जगह पे if I put 2 cuts or more cuts on any surface, instead of cutting it once by on any surface, if I cut it multiple times, I may get pieces which will have none of the original vertex. So now let's take those cases and see how do we calculate them, right? So this is the situation so far. If it's a 2 by 2 by 2 cube, first of all, can you tell me total how many cubes are there? So let us assume that it is a cube of 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, and it is cut into smaller pieces of 1 by 1 by 1. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 1 1s are 1 1s are 1, 8 divided by 1, that will have a total of 8 pieces, right? If I cut a 2 2 2 ka cube into small pieces of 1 1 1, that is length breadth and height is 1 1 1, I get total 8 pieces. इसमें 3 साइड पेंटेड वाले कितने होंगे? सारे पीसेस में एक एक ओरिजिनल वर्टाइस आ जाता है, सो 3 साइड पेंटेड वाले ही 8 हैं। दैट मीन्स all the 8 pieces have been accounted for. So every piece will have 3 sides painted. Did you get that? No, Shubhankar? This was exactly what I was doing for the past 4 slides. This is exactly the same slide. I cut it once, twice and thrice. Right, originally it was a 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter ka cube. All the small pieces are 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1. So you cut 2 2 2 by 1 1 1, you get a total of 8 cubes. You got a total of 8 cubes, and we have seen each of this cube will contain one of the original vertices. So all 8 cubes which are formed will contain 3 sides painted. So all the 8 cubes are counted. There will be no other type of cube. Each of these 8 cubes will have 3 sides painted and 3 sides unpainted. Shashwat, when the original cube is cut, 8 pieces are formed and all 8 pieces are identical. So each of these 8 pieces will have 3 sides painted and 3 sides unpainted. Kavya, Shashwat, now did we get it? Shrikar, समझ में आया? No, what did you not understand, Shrikar? Which part was difficult? Which part did you not get? See, did you understand that the original size of this cube is 2 2 2? The full cube is 2 length, 2 breadth and 2 height. Each of the smaller cubes is 1 length, 1 breadth and 1 height. So how many small cubes will be formed? Size of volume of the big divided by volume of the small will give you number of cubes. So total there are 8 cubes. Each of the cube contains one original vertex. So by our formula, all the 3 sides painted, there are 8 pieces. All the 3 sides painted, every single piece will have 3 sides painted. So that's it. Here we don't want any other type of cube. There is no other type of cube. Every cube is 3 sides painted. Okay, now this was a simple example. Now let's take a 3 by 3 by 3 ka cube, right? So when you are cutting it, I'm cutting it 2 sides, lengthwise, breadthwise and heightwise, and each smaller cube is obviously 1 into 1 into 1. So can you tell me totally how many cubes will be formed? Totally how many smaller cubes will be formed? Very good, right? If I split this into 3 layers, I'm splitting it into 3 layers, right? So साक्षी 36 कहां से आया बच्चा? मल्टीप्लीकेशन में लोचे मत मारो. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, 1 1s are 1 1s are 1. सो हर लेयर में 9 होंगे. ऊपर काउंट करके देखो 9 पीसेस, मिडल में 9, बॉटम पे 9. सबको ऐड करो, you will get a total of 27 pieces in this particular cutting. 9 in each layer. Correct? Aman bhi, will we be given diagram? No way. Diagram देके तो थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा भी सॉल्व कर देगा. No way they will be giving you diagrams. They will be only giving you descriptions. डायग्राम देके तो लाइफ इतने आसान थोड़ी करेंगे. प्राइमरी स्कूल का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम थोड़ी है बच्चा. ये समझ में आया? But the good part is they hardly ask such questions. Okay, did you understand this diagram 999? Now, look at it carefully. Some pieces, that is all the corner वाले pieces जो original vertice वाले हैं, ये तो 3 sides painted होंगे. Did you get that? 8 vertices, so 8 pieces will have 3 sides painted. That is our standard thing. Now the interesting part starts. Pay attention. In the top layer, look at this particular piece. Look at this particular piece. इसमें top side painted होगा, ये front side painted होगा, लेकिन every other side is hidden, which means it is unpainted. Do you agree? राइट. सिमिलरली मिडल लेयर के अंदर ये पीस को देखो, ये कॉर्नर पीस को, इसमें ये साइड पेंटेड है, ये साइड पेंटेड है, लेकिन टॉप, बॉटम एंड दोनों हिडन एजेस, हिडन साइड्स, वो तो अनपेंटेड है. तो इसमें भी 2 साइड पेंटेड है. यानी कि टॉप लेयर या बॉटम लेयर हो तो उसमें कॉर्नर को छोड़ के जितने भी एज पे हैं वो सारे 2 साइड्स पेंटेड वाले होंगे. डू यू अग्री? टॉप एंड बॉटम लेयर के अंदर वर्टाइसेस को छोड़ के जितनी भी पीसेस एज पे हैं दे विल ऑल बी 2 साइड्स पेंटेड. लीविंग द वर्टाइसेस, every piece on the edge in the top and the bottom layer will have 2 sides painted. Good. Similarly, in every layer which is in the middle, the edge pieces will have 2 sides painted. The edge pieces will have 2 sides painted. Do you agree to that? So, if they are asking you 2 sides painted, we will count the edge pieces of top and bottom. And in every middle layer, we will count 4 pieces on the edges. Did you understand which pieces will have 2 sides painted? Don't go beyond that. Stay with me, step by step. Did you understand 2 sides painted कौन से pieces होते हैं? Good. Now, I'm going to clear the screen and let's take the next thing. Do you see this piece which is in the middle? ये middle वाला जो piece है इसके कितने sides painted होंगे? How many middle piece on this top face? It will have only one side painted. Similarly, the middle piece in the bottom, will also have one side painted. And in the middle layer, all these wale middle pieces, will also have one middle layer, one side painted. So technically every piece on a face which is not in the edge, agar main if I go to the complete cube, this piece, this piece, this piece, similarly on the other three sides, every piece on a face which is not on the edge will have only one side painted. Do you get that? Every piece on every face which is not touching the edge will have one side painted. Amanbir? Good. Now, finally, let's take a look at one more type of piece which is there. Do you see this particular piece which is exactly in the middle of the structure? How many sides will have painted? Correct Urmi. Very good. Very good. काव्या 1 नहीं 0. जो सबसे बीच में है वो ऊपर से भी कवर्ड है, नीचे से भी कवर्ड है, एंड चारों साइड्स में से भी कवर्ड है. सो दिस सेंटर पीस is never touched by paint. So such pieces which are in the एकदम center of the cube, जितने भी pieces center of the cube में होंगे, they will have zero sides painted. Did you get that? Right? So question क्या है? You are given a 3 by 3 by 3 का cube. You have to cut it into 1 by 1 by 1 के pieces, and then you have to tell me how many pieces have 3 sides painted, 2 sides painted, 1 side painted, and 0 sides painted. So I'll show you how to do this step by step. Step by step करना कभी mistake नहीं होगा. The first step, always count the total number of pieces. For that I have given you the formula, right? If it's a 3 by 3 by 3 का cube, then you divide it by 1 by 1 by 1. So 27 divided by 1. The total number of pieces is 27. Remember this. Total number of pieces in this example is 27. Understood? 27. First step, count the blocks. Second step, 3 sides painted is very simple. That includes all the ones with one original vertex, and there are always 8 original vertices. So if all the blocks are cut up like this, they all belong to different pieces. So by default, there will be 8 blocks with 3 sides painted. 8 ओरिजिनल वर्टाइसेस सबको स्प्लिट कर दिया है मैंने, तो 8 ही टुकड़े बनेंगे जिसमें एक वर्टाइस होगा. दैट मीन्स 8 पीसेस विल हैव 3 साइड्स पेंटेड. So this figure of 3 sides painted more or less will always be 8. Did you understand this? Okay. Second, we come to 2 sides painted. अब 2 side paint में हमने फंडा क्या देखा था? In the top layer, let's count everything which is on the edge but not the corner. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 pieces which are on the edge but not the corner. So in the top layer there are 4. It will be symmetrical with the bottom layer, so there will be 4 in the bottom. And in the middle layer we look at the edges. So every time in the middle layer, by default there are always 4 pieces in the edge. So total there are 12 pieces with 2 sides painted. Did you understand this? You count for the top and bottom and you take 4 for every middle layer. So 2 sides painted can easily be counted like that. Yashvi, got that? Why 16, Shashwat? How 16? Shashwat, How 16? 4 in the top layer, 4 in the bottom layer, and 4 in the middle layer. Total 3 ही layer हैं. How did you get 16? Right? So top and bottom will have the same number. So you count in the top and you put the same number for the bottom. And then every middle layer you put 4. So did everybody get two sides painted? Whose side wala? What do you mean by that, Shashwat? For two sides painted, you count the top, you count the bottom, which is always the same, and 4 is default for all middle layers. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 in this case. Yashvi, three sides painted is always vertices वाला ना. ये जो corner vertices होते हैं, ये वाले piece में 3 side painted होते हैं ना. So 3 side painted by default, usually the answer is 8 because there will be 8 pieces with on each vertex. Now, for one side painted, Amanbir is asking, what the last row cubes on the edge? Last row cubes on the edge means what? I'm clearing up this image, guys. So far we have put this is 27, this is 8, and this is 12. Okay. Last row cubes. Do you mean these ones? See, this one is 3. This one is 3. But the middle one, apart from here and bottom, only 2 sides painted. The entire row won't have 3 sides. Only the edges will have 3 sides. So only the edge ones will, only the vertex wala will have 3 sides. So there are 4 vertices in the bottom and 4 vertices in the top. That's it. Did you get that? Only pieces with original vertex will have. Yeah, I did count the edges as 2. Vertex 3 sides painted. Non-vertex edge 2 sides painted. Yeah, I did count them as 2. It is 2 sides. See, this one is 3, this one is 3, this one is 3. This one is 2. उसी तरह middle में this one is 2 sides painted. एक 2 side painted यहाँ पे, एक 2 side painted पीछे की तरफ से. There are 4 corners and there are 4 non-corner edge wala. Okay. Now, so 2 sides painted. I hope everybody got. Right? Total 27. 3 sides painted 8. 2 sides painted 12. Now, for one side painted, we have to count edge को छोड़ के the middle wala piece. So one middle wala piece on this face, one on the top, one at the bottom, one at the back, one this side and one this side. So total there will be 6 pieces. Total there will be 6 pieces having one side painted. On every face, eliminate the edges. Anything not touching the edge will have one side painted. Okay. Now, for 0 sides painted, I'm going to teach you a trick. First, take the top layer. How many center pieces do you see in this layer? 1, correct? 1 center piece. Now, vertically, how many layers are there? From that, eliminate the top, eliminate the bottom. So vertically speaking, how many middle layers are there? 1 middle layer. You multiply these numbers. In the top layer, 1 center piece. Vertically, 1 middle layer. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. you will have exactly one piece with zero sides painted. दिया one side painted में every face, I'm going to clear this up again. One side painted, clear? Do you understand this is one face? No, Amanbir. Answer always won't be one. I'll show you. Do you know this is a face? Okay. इस face में ये edges हैं, ये समझ में आया? ये edges हैं, समझ में आया? So, edges को जो भी touch करता है, you cut that out. You remove that. So, how many are left not touching the edge? 1. So, on this face 1, and every face is similar. Every face is similar. So total 6 faces. हर face पे एक, तो total 6 pieces with one side painted. Did you understand this so far? Okay. Now for zero sides painted, take the top face. Take the top face. How many middle pieces are there in the top face? How many middle pieces are there in the top face? Samruddhi, I'm doing the zero sides वाला. ये top face के अंदर middle में कितने हैं? एक है. Okay. अब vertically देखो, टॉप एंड बॉटम को निकाल दो, तो मिडल में कितने लेयर्स हैं? टॉप एंड बॉटम को निकाल दो, मिडल में कितने लेयर्स हैं? 1. नो शाश्वत, डोंट जंप द गन, डोंट अज्यूम थिंग्स, डोंट अज्यूम थिंग्स. ठीक है? सो यू मल्टीप्लाई नंबर ऑफ सेंटर पीसेस विथ नंबर ऑफ middle pieces, that is your number of zero sides painted. Do you understand this? If you understood it, very good. If you did not understand it, what last row? Amanbir, top and bottom row के अंदर zero side painted वाला होगा ही नहीं. You've already counted all the pieces of the top and bottom row. There won't be any piece with zero sides painted in top and bottom. It's only in the middle and center that you will have unpainted blocks. Anything on the outside will always be painted. Okay? Now, let's check something. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 1 27. We have counted all the blocks. Did you understand this? The simple way of confirming whether you have counted everything is, once you do all this, add them. If the sum is equal to the total number of blocks, that means you have counted all the blocks. Yashvi, bottom में भी एक ही face, every face में edge को निकाल दोगे तो बाकी के वन साइड पेंटेड होंगे. 6 faces in 3x3, every face शुभंकर, शांति रख बेटा, अभी तो मैंने चालू किया है. वेट फॉर इट. Yeah, did you understand the fundamentals of what are meant to, which pieces are 3, which are 2, which are 1 and which are 0? Now, if you are finding it difficult to do this, but you are comfortable with formulas, in the textbook, I have derived some formulas. If you are good at memorizing them, you can ratto mark that formulas and vomit it in the exam. I hate doing it. I have not even, I've created those formulas, but I don't remember them. But if you are comfortable learning by heart formulas and just vomiting it out in the exam, then instead of doing this method, you can just by heart those formulas and use them. Although they are long formulas. right? That is one alternate option which I can give you. Okay. Now, if somebody is having a trouble understanding zero sides, here is another trick. If the size originally is 3 by 3 by 3, the easiest way to get zero sides painted is subtract 2 from all the numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 ones are 1 ones are 1, zero sides painted. That's it. Straightforward shortcut. कुछ भी याद डायग्राम की भी जरूरत नहीं है. From the original size, subtract 2 from everything and multiply them. That is your answer for zero sides painted. If it's a 3 by 3 by 3 ka cube, subtract 2 from everything. So you get 1 1 1, 1 ones are 1 ones are 1 ones are 1 ones are 1. Answer is one side will have zero side, one piece will have zero sides painted. This is a shortcut. This works for every single size of cube and cuboid. This shortcut for zero sides painted works for every cube and cuboid. And if the answer is less than 1, then you have to mark 0 as the answer. Negative में अगर आया तो 0 mark कर दो. It is given that it is cut into 1 1 1. Yes, Shashwat. If it is cut into some other size, then you have to use that as a denominator. Are we together so far? Okay. So this was 333. Now, if you have understood it, can you give me the same statistics for a 4 by 4 by 4 ka cube? Let me see who gets this one. Shubhankar, I think this is what you were asking. Let's see who gets this one quick. And you have to give me all the 4 statistics. Aman bhi, 3 sides painted, beta. How many original vertices? And are all the vertices separated? Okay guys, so here we start with our standard procedure. 4 4 4 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and cut into 1 by 1 by 1. So obviously there are total of 64 blocks. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 hidden 8. Right? So 3 sides painted वाले तो 8 होंगे. यहां तक तो कोई डाउट नहीं है. Did everybody get it so far? This is simple. Now start paying attention. Top layer. I'm counting the top layer now. So in the top layer, vertex को छोड़ के edge पे कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. There are 8 pieces with two sides painted in the top layer. Did you understand that? 8 pieces in the top layer, two sides painted. So if there are 8 in the top, there are 8 in the bottom, because top is equal to bottom. Are you getting that? जो टॉप लेयर में होगा वो बॉटम लेयर में होगा, एंड बाकी मिडल लेयर्स में एज वाले कितने, 1 2 3 एंड 4. सो इन ईच ऑफ द 2 middle layers, this will also have 4, this will also have 4. So total 24 pieces with two sides painted. Do you get that? ओके, वन साइड पेंटेड के लिए मैं एज वाले सबको कैंसल कर दूंगा. सो 1 2 3 एंड 4 सेंटर पीसेस, टोटल 6 फेसेस. तो 4 6 आर 24 सेंटर पीसेस. सो 24 पीसेस विथ वन साइड पेंटेड. ईशान, काव्या, 24 pieces. Did you understand? There are 4 pieces in the middle, not touching the edges. There are 4 pieces in the middle. So one face has 4 center pieces. Total, there are always 6 faces. So 4 multiplied by 6, total there should be 24 pieces. Right? Okay. 2 sides painted. 4 middle pieces and 2 middle layers. So 4 2s are 8. या तो ये मेथड से करो, या तो 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. दोनों मेथड से आपको 80 आंसर आएगा. And once you get that, 8 plus 24 is 32, 32 plus 24 is 56, 56 plus 8 is 64. My answer is correct. Got this one? Two side wala, Amanbir. I'll do two side wala again. See, two side wale ke liye the top and the bottom layer are same. So I'm only considering the top layer, right? This is the top layer. So these corners will all be counted for 3. So I eliminated them. Are we together on this? So remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 pieces in the top layer which have two sides painted. So 8 in the bottom also. Top and bottom are symmetrical. Whatever happens in top happens in bottom. And in each of these two middle layers, there are always 4 edges. Middle layers will always have 4. That is default. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 8, total 24. Understood that? Okay. So guys, if you got this one, give me the answer for a 7 by 7 by 7 wala cube. Okay. So 7 sevens are 49, sevens are 343. So total 343 pieces. 3 sides painted, obviously 8. 2 sides painted के लिए टॉप के अंदर देखेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 20 in the top layer, 20 in the bottom layer, and 1 2 3 4 5. 5 multiplied by 4, 20 in the middle layers. So total 60 pieces will have 2 sides painted. मिडल के लिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. 25 center, so 25 into 6, total 150 pieces having one side painted, and 777 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, will have 0 sides painted. 8 plus 5 13, 3 1 carry, 1 plus 6 7 plus 5 12 plus 2 14, 4 1 carry 3. That's my answer. 8 60 150 and 125. Two sides painted. Look at this. Okay guys, if you are getting confused with two sides painted, here's how you look at it. What is the size of the complete top layer? Can you say the complete top layer is 7 by 7? The single top face is 7 by 7. So eliminating 1 from both the sides, it becomes a 5 by 5 का square. पूरा एक साइड हटा दो, पूरा एक लेयर हटा दो, तो बीच में 5 by 5 का बन जाता है. That means 5 5 5 and 5, so total 20 in the top layer. So 20 in the top layer, 20 in the bottom layer, and there are 5 middle layers, and each middle layer always has 4. So 5 4s are again 20. So total 60. Nitya, did you get that? So did everybody understand this one properly? Which part did you not understand, Malay? One side wala problem hai, Shrikar. Okay, let me give you another way of doing it, Shrikar. Do you agree that the entire face is 7 by 1 face is 7 by 7? So if you eliminate all the edges, it becomes a 5 by 5. Shrikar, ये 7 by वाइट को देखो, ये पूरा 7 by 7 है. You eliminate top and bottom, you eliminate, so that becomes 5. You eliminate left side and right side, that also becomes by 5. So each face will have 5 by 5, 25, total 6 faces, so 150. Shashwat, open the IQ book, the last chapter of cubes and cuboids in the analytical reasoning book. If you want to memorize the formula, you can do that, then diagrams will not be required. But those formulas will only work for cubes, they will not work for cuboids. You have to be a bit careful. Formulas are given, you can memorize them. लंबा चौड़ा formula सबका है. Diagram is actually a faster method if you get it. Malay, how for which one? Middle layers में two side painted 4 कैसे है वो पूछ रहे हो आप? Okay. Now, you understand what I meant by a middle layer, right? Top and bottom layers को cancel कर दो. Middle layer में, take a look at this. This block will have two sides painted on the edge, right? बाकी ये सारे तो one side painted है. तो सो edge touch करता है वो two side painted होगा. Are you getting that? So how many edges are there for any layer? Shashwat, in exam you have to draw the diagram. Malay, how many edges to any layer? ये corner वाले 4. That's why 4 per middle layer. That's why middle layer में हमेशा by default 4 ही होता है. Okay? ठीक है. चलो guys. Now, if it's a 3 by 4 by 5 का cuboid, 3 by 4 by 5 का cuboid, then how do we do it? So a lot of people are saying कि exam में diagram नहीं होगा तो क्या करेंगे? So I'm first going to show you how to make the diagram, right? I will explain how to make this diagram. ठीक है? Let's start. First take the first two figures, 3 and 4. So draw a parallelogram of 3 by 4. This side is 3 and this side is 4. So I draw a parallelogram of 3 by 4 and then I draw the lines. So ये 3 में बट गया, ये portion 4 में बट गया. So this is a 3 by, this side is 3, this side is 4. So 3 by 4 is made. Did you get this one? The first part, did you understand how to start making the drawing? Take the first two numbers, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 का surface बना दिया हमने. Now what is left? The last one is 5. So from here vertically we drop down and divide it into 5 parts. Right? Now parallel to this, from here also we drop and we draw the 5 lines, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and parallel to this we draw the 5 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from this parallel we draw 1, 2 and 3, and in points में से भी parallel to this we draw 1, 2, 3. So vertically it is 5. So this is a 3 into 4 into 5 का cuboid. Did you understand how to make this diagram? You can start with any two numbers. जरूरी नहीं है कि 3 by 4 से ही करो. 4 by 5 को भी रखो तो थोड़ा inverted cube आएगा. But answer will always remain the same. Don't worry about it. Did everybody understand how to make this diagram? Pakka? So now let us do the counting for this cuboid, right? 3, 4, 5 में I drew it. It was something like this. This edge was 3, this edge was 4 and this edge was 5. Total कितना होगा? 3 4s are 12 5s are 60 divided by 1. So total number of blocks will be 60. Total number of blocks will be 60. चलो 3 sides painted. So edge वाले corner वाले 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 3 sides painted तो 8 by default. This is the easy part. Now 2 sides painted के लिए top layer में गिनेंगे अभी. Top layer के अंदर 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 in the top layer, 6 in the bottom layer, and every middle layer by default 4. That means total 24 pieces. टोटल 24 पीसेस, टू साइड्स पेंटेड वाले टोटल 24 पीसेस. गाइस गॉट इट? काउंटिंग कैसे किया मैंने? टॉप एंड बॉटम में एज वाले काउंट किए हैं, बाकी में 4 काउंट किए. लुक एट इट. इन द टॉप लेयर 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 in the top layer, 6 in the bottom layer, and middle always 4. Got that, Shashwat? Okay. Now comes the important part. One side painted mein you cannot do because every face size is different. So pay attention. Top के अंदर 1 2, इस साइड 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, एंड यहां पे 9 10 and 11. सो जितने विजिबल फेसेस थे उनमें आई काउंटेड 11 मिडल पीसेस. सो उन सबके सामने रिपीट होगा, टॉप का बॉटम के साथ, फ्रंट का बैक के साथ, लेफ्ट का राइट के साथ. सो इफ आई कैन सी 11 मिडल पीसेस, टोटल देयर शुड बी 22 मिडल पीसेस. एंड 3 4 5 सब में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 8 plus 24 32, 32 plus 22 54, 54 plus 60. My count is correct. Did you get this one? Everybody, यहां पे फॉर्मूले इतने काम नहीं आएंगे. So you have to know how to draw it. यशवी, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड 11? 11 कहां से आया वो समझ में आया? Now this 11 I counted on how many faces in total? These 11 pieces were there on totally how many faces? 3. But you can only see 3 faces. The other 3 faces are not visible in the diagram. So if there are 11 in the 3 faces, that means the hidden faces will also contain 11 because opposite sides are always symmetrical. So 11 दिखता है, that means 11 is hidden. So 11 2s are 22. Shashwat, multiply by 2 मैंने इसीलिए किया because 11 I can see. That's why I multiplied it by 2. I am considering every single side. I cannot draw a 3-dimensional figure where I can see all 6 sides, obviously. That's why imagination is required. I have considered all the 6 sides. I counted 3 sides में 11, and then the 11 is replicated on the hidden sides. So total 22. Did you get that? Exactly, Kavya. 3 faces are visible, जहां पे 11 दिखते हैं, and 3 faces are invisible, जहां पे 11 नहीं दिखते. So 11 plus 11, total 22. Everybody understood one side painted का फंडा? Okay, so the complete example, I hope everybody got. चलो, now tell me, for a 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6 का cuboid, what are my statistics? And be careful, this is a tricky one. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6. think about it, guys. Good, good, good. Some of you are getting it very nicely. Okay, guys. Let's see how to draw this first. 2 multiplied by 3, right? So we start with a simple parallelogram. ये साइड 2, ये साइड 3. बचा क्या? 6, right? So this side is divided into 6 portions. Okay. यहाँ से 1, 2, 3 ये ड्रॉ कर दिया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सिमिलरली यहाँ से भी 1 एंड 2 ड्रॉ कर दिया एंड बाकी कनेक्ट कर दिया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2, this is 3 and this is 6. Right? So you can either draw it vertically or horizontally. Either ways you can draw it. Right? I drew it the first way. You can also draw it the second way. No problem. So 3 sides painted. First of all, total 2 3s are 6, 6 are total. There are 36 blocks. 3 sides painted. So by default 8. 2 sides painted के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 top में, 8 bottom में, 4 in the middle. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, total 20. One sided painted. अब ऊपर एंड साइड में तो कोई मिडल पीस है ही नहीं, तो 1, 2, 3, 4, सिर्फ 4 यहाँ पे, 4 ऑपोजिट साइड में, 8 एंड 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4. 0 multiplied by anything, answer is 0. So there is no piece with 0 sides painted. 20 plus 8, 28 plus 8, 36. My answer is correct. Total 36 pieces. I think many of you got this right. इस फिगर के अंदर 0 साइड पेंटेड होगा ही नहीं. वन साइड के लिए ओके, ऊपर वाले डायग्राम को देखो. वन साइड के लिए ऊपर वाले डायग्राम को देखो. ऊपर के फेस में कोई भी सेंटर पीस दिख रहा है? काव्या, कैन यू सी एनी सेंटर पीस इन दी अप? नो. कैन यू सी एनी सेंटर पीस ऑन द साइड? नो. सो रिमेनिंग there are only 4 center pieces on this face. Only 4 center pieces on this face. That means 4 on this face, 4 on the opposite. So total 8. Parnika, what is our formula for 0 sides painted? You subtract 2 from the originals. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 2 is 4. 0 ones are 0, 4s are 0. So technically there is not a single piece with 0 side painted because there is no middle layer. Right? Every side must have a middle layer, तभी जाके 0 वाला बनेगा. कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर साइड 2 का है तो उसमें कोई मिडिल पीस नहीं होगा. एवरीबॉडी गॉट दिस वन? गुड. So let's take examples. First one, draw this and then we'll take a look at the questions. And here they are colored on different sides. So not only you have to draw them, but you also have to know which side is colored as what. This is what it looks like. I've taken the 4 by 3 on top and the 3 as vertical. So 4 by 3 is yellow, upar niche. 4 by 3 are red, front and back I have taken. 3 by 3 are green. I think understanding this, which face is to be taken as which color, is very simple. Which face is which color is very simple. So what are the questions? Now the questions here are very interesting, right? In the same example, these are the questions. I'm putting up the diagram there, but in exam you will not get a convenience of a diagram. In the exam you will have to make your own. But here I'm putting up the diagram. But these are the 5 questions which are asked. Looking at the diagram, can you answer them? So the first one, how many small cubes? Only 2 faces colored. That is simple. 2 faces mein 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 in the top layer, 6 in the bottom layer, 4 mein to as usual, middle mein to as usual 4. So total there will be 16 pieces which will have 2 faces colored. Aditya, counting. Right? 3 faces colored. इसमें तो मैं कुछ सोचूंगा भी नहीं. By default answer 8. 0 faces colored. That is also simple. सब में से 2 subtract करो. 2 ones are 1. So total 2 such cubes. And 1 face colored के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I can see 5. That means 5 are hidden. So total 10. Got this? यहाँ पे color did not play much of a role. This was very similar to what we have done so far. So move on to the next one. I think this one will have more importance of colors. 4, 3, 5 and 3 colors given. right? So the diagram will look something like this, and the questions. Oh, this is also like that. No, no, there are, the last question is color based. I'm slightly changing the last question to make your life simple. Should be easy. Okay, so 3 faces colored, ये तो अपना by default वाला आंसर होता है 8. Only 1 face colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So if I can see 11, that means total 22 are there. 0 faces colored. So the size was 3 into 4 into 5. So that means 1 into 2 into 3. Small 6 cubes. And red and green only. That means ऊपर का पूरा हटा दो, नीचे का पूरा हटा दो, एंड सिर्फ एज वाले में रेड एंड ग्रीन दोनों होंगे. सो हर एज पे 3. सो 3 4s are, there will be a total of 12 such small cubes which have only red and green. Did you understand the last one in particular? Amanbir, look at the last question carefully. It asks you to identify how many small cubes will have red and green only. So all the top and all the bottom are eliminated because they also contain blue on them. So entire top and bottom layer is gone. I don't have to consider them because they also contain blue. I need only red and green wale. Now, red and green wale are purely these pieces on the edge, right? Only these 3 pieces on this edge contain red on one side and green on the other. So 3 on every edge, and total how many edges are there? Total there are 4 edges, so 3 4s are 12. So 12 such pieces which have red and green only. Do you get that? Yes, look at the data given. It says 2 sides red, 2 sides blue, 2 sides green. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 ही sides होते हैं. Right? Okay. Chalo. This is very interesting. Amanbir, all 6 sides with different colors? हाँ होंगे. They will not complicate it too much. but it's quite possible. In fact, there is one question in this set where there is no cutting, but the 6-side coloring is given and you have to arrange it accordingly. Generally in exams, they don't try to complicate with 6 colors plus cutting the cube. Maximum 3 or 4 colors only. 3 colors is the usual norm. Opposite sides generally, or an adjacent side types. They don't complicate it with too many colors like 6 colors and cutting it. Now this is very, very interesting, guys. This is different from what we have done so far. All our counting principles, all the techniques that we use for counting will not necessarily directly apply here, because you have to observe the diagram carefully. So first you have to make the diagram and then observe it carefully. Blindly आप टेक्निक फॉलो नहीं कर सकते इसके अंदर. जो टेक्निक हम आज तक अभी तक यूज करते आए हैं वो डायरेक्टली अप्लाई नहीं होंगे इसमें. So the diagram looks something like this. And the questions all 3 colors वाले कितने होंगे? All 3 colors are there on the corners, right? And there are only 4 cubes in the corners, right? This is 1 cube in the corner, 2nd cube, 3rd cube and 4th cube. Only these 4 cubes have all the colors. So 4. Total number of cubes is easy. 6 into 4 into 1, total 24 cubes. That is easy. Now 4 colored sides. अभी तक तो हमने 3, 2, 1, 0 देखा था, but 4 colored sides कौन से हैं? So here guys, pay attention. These corner cubes actually have 2 of the original vertices together, and 2 vertices means 4. So these 4 will have actually 4 sides painted. So there are 4 pieces with 4 sides painted. 4 pieces with 4 sides painted. Then 2 sides painted वाले कौन से होंगे? Right? So 2 sides painted में actually these edges won't work because these edges actually have 3 sides painted. तो ये जो middle में है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, because it is a single layer, these 8 blocks will have the top and bottom painted. So 2 sides painted will have 8 blocks, and these are the 8 blocks which have green on both the sides. And black and green वाले निकाल दो सारे. Black and green, which means these 4 and these 4 if you remove, then total there are 16 pieces left. Black and green, both the colors, only the edge, 2 edges पे हैं, तो वो 8 pieces को निकाल दो. The remaining 16 pieces are the ones which are to be counted. Did everybody get this one? Because Dvija, cubes having black and green are removed. See, last one I'm doing it once again. I have to remove the cubes having black and green. So black and green wale, ye 4 and ye 4. Because guys, even this side is black, although you cannot see it. So these 8 blocks have to be removed. They should have both black and green. इट्स नॉट दैट ब्लैक वाले को निकालो फिर ग्रीन वाले को निकालो, नहीं, ब्लैक एंड ग्रीन दो, इट डिड नॉट से रिमूव ब्लैक एंड ग्रीन ओनली वाले, ब्लैक एंड ग्रीन हो तो निकाल दो, अब रेड हो ना हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। दूजा, it does not say anything about red, so it does not matter whether there is red or not. I have to remove the pieces which have both black and green on them. It does not say only black and green. It does not say only black and green. So I remove 4 from the left and 4 from the right because these blocks contain both black and green on them. So remaining बीच वाले 16 pieces हैं, count कर लो. Got it? Okay. Now 6 colors but no cutting. Simple. 6 colors but no cutting. So in a block, I know red is opposite of black, green is between, blue is adjacent. It starts with the direction of only one is given. So red is at the bottom. So my first pakka wala is the bottom is red. Now red is opposite to black. So if bottom is red, that means top is black. And green is between red and black. So I can put green between red and black. Any one of the 4 is okay. All the 4 are in between. So green is between red and black. Now it says blue is adjacent to white and brown is adjacent to blue. So brown, blue, white can be fit like I can put brown, I can put blue, and I can put white. So these are my 6 colors. Got it? So if you get the colors, answering the question should be straightforward. Questions तो बड़े पप्पू हैं. Upper face is black. Opposite to brown is white. Adjacent to green, black, white, brown, red, all are adjacent to green. And opposite to green is blue. Simple question. I don't think इसमें कुछ सरदर्द, इसमें काउंटिंग वाउंटिंग कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ कलर के डायरेक्शंस फिट करने थे. Good. Let's take one last question for the day, shall we? Now this is intelligent. There is no cutting here. It's already cut and then it is painted. So read the question carefully and then let's take a look at the questions. So it actually says that there are already 128 cubes. Half of them have a different color scheme, half of them have a different color scheme. So these are the two types of cubes. Each variety there are 64 such cubes. Did you get this part? Of the first variety there are 64 pieces. Of the second variety also there are 64 pieces. So questions. How many cubes have at least two colored red faces each? In the first type also there are two red faces. In the second type also there are two red faces. So all 128 pieces have minimum two red each. Simple. Total number of red pieces कितने हैं? So in the first type 64 cubes with two red faces 128. In the second there are again 64 cubes, but this time 3 red faces, right? So 3 fours are 12, 192 pieces. So when you add them up, total 320 red faces are there. The first 64 pieces have 2 red, so total 128. The second 64 have 3 red, so 192. So 128 plus 192, total 320 red faces. Did we get the second one? It's not that difficult, guys. How did we get 192? See, how many red faces are there in this type? In this type, how many red faces are there? 1, 2, and 3. And how many cubes are there? There are 64 cubes. So 64 cubes, each cube with 3 red faces. So 64 multiplied by 3 is 192. Third one, 2 adjacent blue faces. Now पहले वाले में तो एक ही blue है, तो ये count ही नहीं होगा. दूसरे वाले में all of them have 2 adjacent blue. So total 64 pieces with 2 adjacent blue. Total 64 pieces, that is the second variety के all pieces have 2 adjacent blue. Got that one? And finally, how many cubes have only one red? इसमें तो 2 red हैं, इसमें 3 red हैं, only one वाला तो कोई है ही नहीं. So there are 0 pieces with only one red. Now, which colors have the same number of faces? कौन से colors हैं? Green है, red है, blue है, yellow है. Green वाले कितने हैं? Green 1 and 2. राइट. रेड कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. ब्लू कितने हैं? 1 2 3. एंड येलो कितने हैं? 1 एंड दैट्स इट. Sorry, green has also 3. Sorry. Green has 3. Green has 1, 2, and 3. So green has 3. Blue also has 3. So green and blue have the same number of faces. Green and blue have the same number of faces. Got that, guys? So that's it, guys. These a few more, some of these mostly all these examples are there in your book. There are few more examples which you can solve because it's a very small chapter. It's not a very important chapter, but still, if they ask any questions from this chapter, there is a very low possibility, but if they ask now, you should be able to do it. So guys, that's it. If there are any doubts, you can ask right now, else we are done for the day. Shashwat, IPM Indore does not have a reasoning section. Amanbir, drawing cubes and cuboids. ठीक है, pay attention. Let's first draw a 2 by 2 by 2 का cube. 2 by 2. Draw a parallelogram. ये 2 by 2 हो गया. And vertically भी 2 है. So vertically भी 2 draw कर दो. Connect everything. That's it. Vertical part, chalo, vertical part we let me show it once again. Let's assume that it's 3 by 3 by 2, right? So first let's take 3 by 3. First I draw 1, 2, 1, 2. This is 3 by 3. Got it? Okay. Remaining 2. So now take these 3 places, these 3, and drop a vertical line of length 2. Right? Now connect the opposite sides. My diagram is a bit wonky because I'm using the computer pen, but on paper it should be easy to draw. Just connect all the points. Did you get it? श्रीकर, एग्जाम में 7x7x7 ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, इतना बड़ा कोई नहीं आएगा. मैक्सिमम 3 या 4 या 5 तक जाएंगे, उसके आगे नहीं जाएगा. या आदित्य, they once did ask a cube. No, it was not exactly this, but if you knew the fundamentals of cube, you could have answered the question. Once, long time back, they asked in CLAT. But yeah, mostly it is not. They try to avoid it, but you never know. पूछ लिया तो. That's why it's always good to know the basic. Right, guys?